Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Litecoin from your Ledger Nano X to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to handle transactions securely, especially with hardware wallets like the Ledger Nano X. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or mobile, some Litecoin in your Ledger wallet, and a verified Crypto.com account. Oh, and remember, crypto tech evolves, so ensure your Ledger Live and device firmware are updated to the latest 2025 versions for smooth sailing. Step 1. Open the Ledger Live app and connect your Ledger Nano X using the USB cable. Enter your PIN on the device to unlock it. Once connected, navigate to the Accounts section in Ledger Live and select your Litecoin account. You'll see your Lieutenant Colonel balance there, great for a quick double check. Next, click on the Send button for your Litecoin account. This will open a form where you need to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Crypto.com app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the Litecoin deposit address. Paste that address into the To field in Ledger Live. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to send, and always leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary in 2025 based on blockchain congestion. Now, review the transaction details carefully, double-check the address to prevent any irreversible errors. Once you're good, hit Continue, and Ledger Live will prompt you to confirm on your device. On your Ledger Nano X, you'll see the transaction summary. Use the buttons to verify and sign it with your secure element. After signing, the transaction will be broadcast to the Litecoin network. Sit tight while it processes. In 2025, Litecoin transactions are pretty fast, usually confirming in a few minutes, but it depends on the network. Once done, check your Crypto.com account to see your Litecoin deposited. And there you have it. That's how you securely transfer LTC from Ledger to Crypto.com. A quick tip. Always use official apps and keep your private keys safe. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.